Okay, so this is a very important subject to discuss or to talk about here. Honestly, I've been meaning to say do this video. I just keep forgetting until this afternoon. In fact, actually, this evening, uh, started speaking with a client. I was like, okay, I need to do this. So now this is about ES9A. It's about ES9A. Which is a VCC, petrol VCC engine you find in 407, 607 facilitated model. So, yes, that's what we are looking at on the screen. But of course, ES9A also looks like ES9J4S, the predecessor. So, both are VCs, but uh, from the appearance, they look alike. Few differences, but you can't tell by just looking at it like this. You have to uh, dismantle some things or use some technical eyes, remove this cover and then pick and cannot tell. There are things you can tell to differentiate. Anyway, so let me just use the car model rather than engine model. So let's put it this way. 407 V6 petrol, factory one, and 607 V6 petrol, the factory one facilitated model Z9. If you diagnose the vehicle by this, I mean when you scan any of these vehicle, any of these two vehicle with the, scan the engine ECU, and you find an error indicating camshaft position sensor unknown, either of the bank or both bank. I'm talking about bank one, bank two, or you find error like cylinder reference sensor, this and that. What on normal circumstances, what that means is timing. Something is wrong with your timing. It's not properly set or something. You know. That was synchronization issue. So, um, so what I do based on my own experience for years working on these engines for people and mine is, first of all, you check the camshaft position sensors to be sure they are plugged in, or that the connectors are okay, not broken or anything. The sensors are on the left side of the cylinder head. You have to remove this cover to find them somewhere here, in between. Not is it in between? No, on both sides of the intake manifold. Somewhere the bank two one is somewhere here, bank one was somewhere here. So they actually positioned here. So you have to check those ones first if they are okay. Um, Also, I should confirm that the sensor is not broken or the connector broken. The next thing you will do is to strip the timing chamber. Strip it, remove the cover. Of course, it takes a while. You have to remove so many things. Jack the engine from under, remove this engine mount and the mount brackets. It takes a while. Then remove these covers. This one, two. There's another one under. Is it one or two? Trying to remember. I think it's one. So it's more like three covers. So I hope I'm right. I'm trying to remember. I think it's three. So yeah, you remove these covers and then rotate the engine clockwise and then peg the camshaft set holes on the camshaft sprockets and then on the crankshaft sprocket. Check whether the timing is correct. If it's off, then you have to remove the timing belt and reset it. If you check and the timing is correct, the synchronization is properly done with the camshaft and the crankshaft. The engine has 4 camshafts. So if it's okay, then don't bother. Just leave it at fault. There's nothing you can do about it. Just leave it. Sometimes to throw check engine light. If you are sure that's the only thing that throw the check engine light, ignore it. Once you confirm your timing is correct and you check your cylinder reference sensors, there's nothing wrong with it. You can even remove them, remove the cylinder reference sensors. Check to be sure if they're not broken inside or anything. Confirm the connectors. If you confirm these things are okay, leave it. The reason why I'm saying this is most people will keep trying to check this sensor. You can like, if you like, you can change the camshaft position sensors. It could be as maybe in your case, maybe one of the sensors are faulty or is faulty. I mean, so or both. I doubt, but hey, anything is possible. The reason why I'm saying this is for 407 V6 petrol with this engine or phase 2 607 with this engine, their engine is not all, but some of the engine issues they do have software issues, whereby it will keep telling you something is wrong with your uh, timing, yet mechanically nothing is wrong with your timing. Your the two sensors monitoring the timing, they are all okay. Yet you keep reporting on the engine issue each time you scan the vehicle that your timing is not correct. And the funny thing is, it won't give you any driving issue. Nothing. Your engine will perform well, nothing. The only time you'll be concerned is if truly it's giving you symptom of timing issue, then it means something actually is wrong. In that case, you need to truly focus to be sure your timing is actually correct. Or in that case, you pull out the connectors on the sensors. Most times it's because they are broken. Once they break inside, they tend to disintegrate over time. Remember, they are plastic, so after a while they will break inside. You think they are still making contact inside, not anymore. Pull them out. If they're broken, change the connector. Like I said, most times the issue is not with the sensors, but the connectors. And what are the symptoms of timing issue? Like having hard start problem, then power issue. The car will be driving as if it has no power. Even though it's a V6, it will be driving as in power. You will be like, man, is this really a V6? The acceleration will be very poor. That's one of the symptoms of timing. Or engine that synchronize that doesn't the synchronization between the camshafts and the crankshaft is wrong. If no is issue, leave it. The problem is from the engine ECU. It's a software issue. Now I don't know whether from new whether they had that issue from new. Remember, my experience with this engine is from used. All the ones I've worked on, even they are not purchased new, as in they were not when they were new, when they were already old. So yeah, the reason why I'm telling you for a fact. Expect you might buy one and it's giving you that error code. Just do this check, confirm. If your timing tool is not correct, reset it. Even if after resetting it keeps showing that fault, then leave it. But the problem is most time people don't know. Most people do not know how to set V6 timing, especially in Nigeria. Most mechanics, I can tell you that authoritatively. I know how many times people have bought their V6, whether 406, 407, 807, name it. And I will scan the car. Even without before even scanning the car, some symptoms the car is exhibiting will be showing clearly that was exhibiting will be showing that yes, timing was not correct. So by the time I check and you see truly somebody probably removed the belt and didn't set it well. This is not once, not twice. So yeah, I know that for sure. So you need to be sure. You need to be sure. I don't know if I've done that I don't know if I've done a video on how to set visit timing. I'm not sure. If not, if I've done that, go and check that any of those videos. to confirm too from the video if your timing is correct for your visit, so that you won't relax thinking that it's correct. So maybe it could be a software issue, just like I pointed out, you know. But then, like I said, if it's not correct, trust me, you'll be having, you will know for a fact something is wrong. Your engine will not have more. You will be pushing your throttle, pushing the car, you just making sound, making noise. Your power won't be there that much, you know. So that would be very obvious. But when everything is working well, only that each time you scan the car, you still keep showing you camshaft position sensor issue, reference sensor issue, this and that. Not all. The reason why I'm telling you, there are cases or a few cases where maybe something will happen, then the engine ECU need to be replaced. Not necessarily because of this timing thing. Without touching the engine, even though the older the ECU was showing that camshaft position unknown issue, timing issue, you change the engine ECU. From the day one you put the engine ECU, weeks, months, even a year, 2 years, 3 years later, scan the vehicle, nothing, anything about it won't show you anything about the timing. Nothing about the camshaft position sensor or reference sensor, nothing. If for whatever reason you put that back the old ECU, maybe something, immediately those errors will come back. So that's why I'm telling you. So don't freak out. If you get yours and you do everything to solve that problem, it refuses to be solved. Keep popping up that this and then understand the issue is your engine ECU. Can it be fixed? I don't know. It's possible, but my point is, you might say, okay, why not change the engine ECU? What if you change it and the one you have put is basically used one? It has the same issue. So what happens? You keep changing. So I wouldn't bother so much. But what I'm saying, if it's a car already knows, for example, if you bring a particular 407 V6 or 7 V6 phase 2 for the first time, I scan the vehicle, it shows that. The first thing I'll do is to confirm the timing, confirm the camshaft position sensors, and if they're okay, even if the car next 5 years, I don't care. If that issue should stay, let it stay there. You know, like I said, it won't affect any issue. It won't affect the power of the car, nothing. The only thing is the fault will always be there. Most times it says permanent fault. Sometimes trigger check engine light or may not trigger. Not necessarily. In fact, sometimes they don't trigger check light, but they could. But like I said, even when they trigger check light, it won't still affect anything. Check engine light, sometimes it goes off on its own. If you scan it when it goes off, it will show intermittent fault. But whenever it comes up, you see check light again with engine running. It means it has turned to permanent, you know. But like I said, it still will not affect anything. So I just wanted to point it out because, like I said, see, so this is something I've known for years, but I don't know. I just keep the thought will cross my mind. Before I know it, I'll forget it. So, and I know some people will maybe try doing everything to solve the problem and be wondering what is wrong. So now you know the issue is not necessary. Um, timing that your timing is bad. You know, it just experience. You know, those of us have had experience with this engine, year after year after year after year, or more than a decade. Yeah, that's why I'm sharing this information with you. Not just as a user, but also as a technician that have studied and understood this engine very well. Okay, so hope this makes sense. Till the next video.